what drove me to check out Lincoln Tech was the fact that I had two brothers that previously attended Lincoln Tech, and I always wanted to go into the medical field. I wanted to be a nurse, but I didn't know if I wanted to jump right on in there. So I chose to come and check out Lincoln Tech. Well, my first impression of Lincoln Tech was that I thought it was pretty awesome. Thought it was really, really good. I thought that from the time I hit the front door, from the receptionist to the financial aid office to your counselors, I thought it was very welcoming. I felt at home. I would have to say that every last one of my instructors influenced me and pushed me to be the person that I am today, not just in my profession, but in my life in general. Whatever area you decide to come into Lincoln Tech, it's a hands-on program. So you have to be flexible. You have to, there are constantly different avenues and things that you have to adjust to. Even in your own personal self, there's obstacles that one has to overcome. When I first started, I'll give you an example. When I first started at Lincoln Tech, I was a mother of two, a single mother of two. So, I had to adjust my life and adjust how I studied, how and when I would pick up the kids and do those certain things. So just, change is good. Change is much needed. And if one is not willing to change, then that becomes a problem because we become stagnant. So Lincoln Tech and how, just diverse their institution is and everything else along those lines, you don't have a choice but to change. It stretches you for sure. The education that I received here at Lincoln Tech prepared me far beyond I could have imagined. Hence the reason that I went into nursing, and I am now a registered nurse. The skills, the knowledge, the wisdom, the hands-on experience, the life stories that you receive from your instructors, the firm, guidance that you get all throughout your journey and your time here at Lincoln Tech has fully prepared me for the future that for where I am now and the future that I intend to keep pushing towards. The skills and the wisdom and the knowledge that you attain from Lincoln Tech, it's not matched. It's not matched. So for me, a four-year college is not for everyone. My lifestyle at the time did not dictate a four-year college, and Lincoln Tech was my option. It was my choice. And I believe it was a great choice. I wouldn't change that choice to this day.